Hi there. I wanted to show you a few steps that can help make your at-home learning a little bit easier. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to access our CPM math book. And how students can do that is they can go to their bookmarks. Now mine is labeled managed bookmarks, but theirs will be labeled with students. So they will click that and they're going to go to Clever. Clever is our universal hub, and it holds all of our different websites that we use and that are approved within our district. So students will be able to find different things on there that they would be using in class, such as Freckle, Newsella, Schoology will be a very big one. And then here is our CPM math book. So they're going to go ahead and click on that. They may have to sign in with Google or Clever. And then if they scroll down, once they sign in, they will have their book. Sixth graders are currently in Core Connections Course 1, CPM. They may have two books showing up. One is the English and one is the Spanish. So they can go ahead and open up that book. Over to the left-hand side will be all of the chapters of the book that they can see. They will be able to click on the chapter. When they click on the chapter, all of the lessons will also show up for them. If we look at, let's just look at this lesson, 112, how does it change? Talking about perimeter and area relationships. This is the information that we go through during class. We talk about the vocabulary words, we go through examples, we go through problems, and so that all the students are able to see exactly what I expect of them. There's also some inserted boxes. This one happens to be with collaborative learning expectations, but other ones, if we keep scrolling down, will be called methods and meanings math notes. Now, this may reinforce a concept in the lesson. This may review a lesson that they should know in the past, maybe in a fourth or fifth grade classroom, but it will focus on different vocabulary words. It will give them some examples, and this may be something they need to refer to when they get to the homework. Homework will be towards the end, and it is labeled review and preview, and this is assigned every night of the week except for the last day of the week for me. Other teachers do it slightly different, but the review and preview is the homework. The homework questions are sometimes multi-stepped. If they need an e-tool, that hyperlink will go ahead and be in there, and students can click on that, and it will take them to the tool that they need. Similar to this one, students have worked with this already. They may have some drop downs where they need to add in some tiles and toothpicks, which was this specific lesson for them. They also have the homework help button, and this is at the end of every question in their review and preview. And if they click on homework help, that will take them to the homework help website. Again, you could always get there from homeworkhelp.cpm.org. And the homework help will go ahead and give them the problem again. This is the exact problem that was from the book. It will give them some hints. Remember, you have 4 tiles. Hint number 2, since the number of toothpicks is double the number of tiles your pattern should have. And they will walk them through, and you can continue to click hints. Hints for question B, hint for question B. And then here again is that e-tool that they were able to use. Most of the CPM course 1, which is our 6th grade book, only have 5 questions at the end. If they are unsure of something, they can go ahead and click homework help. And many times, if they get through all of the hints, it may actually give them an answer. So that can be very helpful for students as well. So that is how we access our CPM math book. And so hopefully this will help students at home who are maybe unfamiliar with how to do it, or they can help their parents if they want to be showing them what we are doing in class.